Guys, so today we lost $777. Well, I did. I mean, it's a learning experience, of course. So like, I'm not really as like upset about it, but it was the fact that it's simple things that I should learn from. So from this video, you know, I'm not a financial educator. This is for entertainment purposes. And I want you guys to learn from like mistakes. We all trade. Learn from my mistakes. Learn what I could have did better. And I know as many of you that's in the same predicament as me. And understand and like see what could be done better. I love that I recap my trades and I can post it for you guys. I can help you guys and for you guys to understand what you need to know as a trader. Like I'm going on 3 years in. And yes, I might have plenty of videos and making profit, but you still have those days where you slip up. It takes 5 years to be great at what you want to be as a trader, anything in life. 10,000 hours, and I'm on year 3. So guys, this is a roller coaster right here, and we got a nice video right here. Learn from my mistakes, and it's the easy things. When you go over things, you're like, dang, really? I really just missed that. It's so easy, guys. It's just a discipline and doing what you're supposed to do. Follow your plan. Like, that's what I was lacking. So let's get straight into the video. So guys, I lost $777 and I lost every trade. So, looking into the trade, let's go straight into it. So, right now, I'm looking between 391 and 389.37 for the two resistance and support areas. And if it falls, I can see it going to 387, but go to 200 like 388. So we're gonna wait for the market. Right now the market just opened, so we're waiting to see exactly what the market wanna do. So guys, again, first 5 minutes I like to stay patient. I like to see what's going on. I wanna get the feel of the market. Before you trade, you should always have the feel of the market. Just be confident. Make sure you don't, double back on what you say. Like that's very important when it comes to this. So we're looking market right now, just don't know. So we're just waiting for that first move. The first move is very vital, very crucial. Then the candles behind it, boom. They usually, some traders be like, wait until after the 5-minute bar. I know some traders that do that. I know some traders trade from the open, and they trade from pre-market data. Oh, sorry guys. Ooh. It's going on like 12, 1 o'clock in the morning. But I'm making this for you guys, so it's worth it. So, but yeah, I know traders trade from the pre-market data, and they want to make sure that they play the gap fills, make sure it hits 50% or whatever. But everybody got their own different tactics. So right now I'm looking at right now, since I'm looking at it now, it looks like it wants to retest. So it's coming down, hit the retracement area at 390 to go play back up to 391. That I'm looking at it now, but it's just staying patient. That's what I should look at first, because what's rule number 1? Trade with the trend. I could have drawn a trend line literally from the bottom of that trend to the top to where it is now. I could have, but did I do it? No. But I'm just not realizing. I'm recapping my trades right now with you guys. This is my live trading. So at first, I was looking for a down slope. I was waiting for it to play down and maybe get in for a nice sell, but I didn't play it correctly. Ooh, here we go. Oh my god. It's been a long day. A long day. So, right now I'm seeing it falls. I said, okay, if it breaks through that support and breaks that wick, then I feel like we got action to the low. We got action. That's what I say. But if you have a green bar and it plays up, then I feel like it's gonna go up to make that higher high. And the 5 minute looked like it retested the area. And shit, I got in. I could have probably doubled in, but to me it's too early to get in the market. But I missed that move. So imagine if I played it and I played it from that supply area, from that box. I got in where it retested right there, and I played in. Guys, I would have been in and I would have been done. I would have played it to that resistance area, and I would have called it a day. But you know, I missed that play. And that's what happens when you trade against the trade, go against the trade. I'm looking for a short just because the market has been going down. Like, guys, look at that. That's a whole dollar move. 390 to 391 it could go to. I missed the whole move. But it's okay. And and that's a pin bar off the 2 minute. A lot of traders love that pin bar. It's like a mini rocket when you see pin bars, especially when stock hit rock bottom. Yeah. So I'm looking at the rest of my charts. I'm looking at Tesla, SPXL, Baba, Meta, Apple, Amazon, Shopify, Microsoft, Nvidia. I always look at my watch list to see what the market wants to do. The market's still giving me nice and bullish vibes. So I should have been looking more for the buys still. But right now, for me, it's too late to get in, so I'm not looking to get in. Nope. I could have played this area and took profits already if I got in. So right now, it's pretty much chilling until otherwise. So guys, yeah, so learn from my trades. Learn. Anytime a trade makes a higher high, higher lows, lower low, lower highs, look at those patterns, because the stock does that all the time. Just look at it. It's crazy. So right now I'm looking at the 1 minute. I'm like, if it breaks that wick, we got down action. It played to that support. Boom. Now I didn't know if it was gonna play to the bottom of that support, especially off that 5 minute to about that 39.33 on my 5 minute chart. So yeah, now look at it. It looked like it's straight breakthrough. So he's just been patient on that move. Just patience. You're just looking, observing. I'm not confident in nothing yet, so I'm not gonna get into nothing yet.
Order filled.
Man, these days right here suck. So I took the buy right here. I went in for 4 contracts. I didn't know that'd be a retest.
Order filled.
But so I got in, but it didn't work in my favor. So right here, I was 0-1 for my first trade of the day. I was thinking it was gonna play up to the top. Now this wasn't. I'll give this trade probably a C. A C. And then I went in for 6 contracts, and I got stopped out. And then the stock pretty much dropped from there. I should have waited, but I mean, honestly, it could have went the other way. But if you look at the 2 minute, 1 minute, that move was so strong that I shouldn't win against that, because that was a strong move. All the sellers that was in that. So now I'm looking, I'm like, man, this straight fall down to 389. I know it is. I could have got back in once it broke that wick, but I was like, nah. I wasn't feeling the trade because I wasn't looking for that trade. So I'm not gonna get in for that trade. So I was just waiting. I was like, bro, watch it happen. It broke the wick. I said, oh, we got action. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Look at the drop. Look at the drop. Oh my gosh. So guys, that's 2 moves. Now I'm recapping that, that could have been 2 great moves. Take profits and be done, especially for scalp trading. Get in, get out. So that's crazy. I miss, it's 2 plays right there. But I'm on one for the day, so I'm like, okay, cool. Wipe it off, you know. So we waiting for the next move, seeing them looking at the EMA, see what the EMA is doing. They crossing down. So if I see that, I want to see what the rest of the market is doing. So Tesla, like the EMA is just crossing. So I'm like, everything's pretty much falling right now. So I'm wondering if it's gonna fall down to about 388.50. That's probably where the 200 is gonna be at. So that's what I'm looking for at this point. Look at the 5 minutes. It looks like it's at a decent place, but now I'm looking for a bearish move. So I'm looking for a retest to come up and hit that my box, which is my pivot or resistance. People like say pivots, whatever you want to call it. And I want to take a short in on that. I want to, but then I'm looking at the 2 minute. That thing's turned to it could be turned to a hammer or another pin bar. So I'm just looking. I'm like, okay, what does it want to do? Don't know. 1 minute, it came up and retested the area off the 1 minute. So it could have been a retest, but I'm looking for a short right now. So I'm staying patient. I'm looking. Staying patient. Let's see if it touches that area. And that's what I was looking for. A retest back down. Stock market's crazy. I love it though. I love the adrenaline of it. The way it makes you feel like you're in control. Makes you feel like, you know, you did something. Something great. Let me put it like that. You spend so much time studying to do something, and then you do something, you do something great from it. It makes you feel good. It starts my day off right, honestly. It does. So this one Canada's really dancing, really. I'm waiting.
Filled.
I think once I said, I messed up right here, guys. Went in for 8 contracts. Reason why I messed up, I'll tell you why. Because I was supposed to wait for it to break that wick. Even though it went past that wick, I still should have stayed patient for that trade. And I didn't. And I got in when pretty much it was already at a low. And I didn't wait for a retest. I should have waited for a retest because of the way it was dropping. So that was my fault for that trade. Like I said, I should have waited for that retest. And I didn't. And I went in for 8 contracts. Went in pretty heavy for the first, for my second trade. Shouldn't did that.
Stop filled.
And now look what it did to me. Now I'm down a total of 265. Ouch. Woo! 265. Yeah. It is what it is. So I was like, okay. It's coming up to retest the area. So let's see if it might fall back down again. But I'm looking at the 5 minute chart.
Order filled.
It still is falling like it's like a trend line is following. You know, so
Order filled.
I went back in for a short.
Order filled.
And I went back in for 8 contracts. And you know what happened? You can guess what happened. I got stopped out. That trade went against me too. And I was like, bro, this trade just gotta drop. Like, it looked like a whole, retest. But 5 minute chart, it don't look like one. Off the 1 and 2 minute, it potentially do. So I ended up going for 10 contracts, thinking that I was gonna get the retest that I was gonna get. And I never got it. So I'm gonna stay patient so you guys can see. But pretty much down $400 at this point. Took the loss off this 10 contracts. Boom, down 432. The most I'll possibly be losing is like 250. That's the most I want to lose. I could lose more, granted, but that's what I want to lose. And I'm double that, so I wasn't being disciplined on that part.
Order filled.
And get out the trade. But this is the crazy part. Hold on. I'm gonna tell you the crazy part. So I went back in for 8 contracts. You know what I just did right here, right? Revenge trading. I just revenge traded that like crazy. I didn't even have time to think. I was like, bro, this is going down. I revenge traded that, and now I'm down 6, 7, 7, 10. I really revenge traded that for 18 contracts.
Stop build.
18 contracts. That's crazy. That's crazy, ain't it? I don't even do 18 contracts. I don't even think I meant to click that many contracts. But yeah, I'm gonna show you. I think it dropped after this, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. I think it dropped after this. But no, I went for 18 contracts at $777. Look it up. I think it dropped, but then it went back up, if I'm not mistaken. And I was like, wow. With 18 contracts, I could have pretty much made a good amount back. Look at that. Wow. 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 I could have made a good amount back off that. I ain't gonna lie to you. Probably. I don't know. But it went back up. It played back up, went up bullish. It followed that trend line. I was out for that trade. So I was probably 0 for 3 for the day. Maybe I think 0 for 3, 0 for 4. So the mistakes that you can see that I did, guys, was I went against the trend first off. I went and over leveraged my trades second off. So I know a lot of you people are doing the exact same things that I'm doing. And I know better because I'm 3 years in. I do know better. Like, I literally have a sticky note on my computer of what not to do and do. Just to look at it. I was confident in my trades, but I should looked at the trades better and waited for more moves. But if I know for sure if I stay with the trend of the trade and traded with that, I would have made profits. And I would have been done with the trade for the day. Or if I waited a little bit longer. Like right now, it hasn't really made no big moves yet, So with that being said, I should have waited longer until I found a better position to get into a trade, and I didn't wait. I went ahead and got in. I'm thinking I could go ahead and get in, get out, be done for the day. Nah, I should have been patient. So there's many things, all the things I did wrong. I could have I could have done better, be a better trader. But we're gonna try again on the next trade, and it takes money to make money, but it takes money in this game to be disciplined. I did simulators again for a long time, and they're cool. You can practice techniques and stuff like that, but it's nothing compared to putting your real money in. I turned a $2,000 account into $40 grand in a month in the simulator, and I'm doing my actual trading now, so I'm doing good. I feel it's just the small things that I know about from being disciplined. I need to pay attention to, and I feel like I'll be green. I'll be very green if I did that. But yeah, guys. So this was a good video. Pay attention. I hope you pay attention and learn from this. And you see my emotion. It's not the first time. I took bigger losses in this. I took a 2K loss. I'm gonna show videos. I recorded a lot of my trades from a long time ago. I got a 2K loss. I remember last year I lost 10K. But besides the point, you understand though. So don't be greedy. Take out. Put the stops at break even. I feel like that is very important. I keep forgetting that. Put my stop at break even. So I need to go to my Ninja Trader trade and put that setting in to put it at break even. And also put a buy stop and a sell stop in. That's very important because I'll be missing pretty much big moves because candles move the candles move so quick. And I feel like I need to put that in there too. I feel like it'd be helpful. And always remember, there's always opportunities to make money in this market. You might miss the first, second, third, fourth move, but there's other moves going into the market. But with that being said, guys, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And I hope you're learning something from this video. And for my entertainment purposes, like what I'm doing. And I'm doing this for you guys, also for myself as a journal, to just keep track and just see my trades, and I want other people to see it and learn from my mistakes, and hopefully they can get better. So, all right, guys, love you guys. Peace.